want to keep right hand down. All I want you to do is just gently rest over the bank. Let you in it. I want you to carry on winning so you're going that way. I'm going to put a wing on your root page so you can't roll and you turn into there. Alright? I just want to keep you turning that way. I want you to go forward 5 feet. Go on. Alright? Go on. Yep. So I want to keep the nose in. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep this little drop right round on. Wait, stop there. I don't have much choice.
He's got no bleeding. He's got no fucking choice, chappers. I'd like to note that was another one of Andy Chaplin's stupid comments.
Time is.
Go in the book of Andy Chaplin's comments.
Justin! Yeah. Get your car, mate. I see you on the back of this. What's that? Don't tell John that. We've been in here with the tub.
Really?
Yeah. It's fantastic. It goes on again, yeah?
Alright, I've just walked down with the lad. I've just walked down with Lado and I said, where does it go? And he went, well, you go down here. And I'm looking and he went, yeah.